What if your hardest season isn't breaking you, it's briefing you? Most people treat setbacks like damage. The research says something different. By the end of this video, you'll have a 3-step system to turn any setback into operational intelligence. You'll leave with the adversity intelligence lens, 3 steps: recognize, reframe, redeploy. This isn't motivation. It's not journaling prompts. It's a framework built from psychological research and operational thinking, used inside the Operational Resilience Method. Stay to the end. I'll show you how to run it in 10 minutes this week. The myth: resilience is toughness. A trait, something you either have or you don't. Smart professionals believe this because the culture rewards it. Show no weakness. Push through. Grind harder. Here's why it fails. Toughness without processing doesn't make you stronger. It makes you more compressed. The pressure doesn't disappear. It compounds. And the next setback lands on top of an unprocessed one. That's how high performers hit burnout in their 30s and 40s despite doing everything right. What actually drives long-term resilience isn't grit. It's cognitive processing of adversity. Psychologists Richard Tedeschi and Lawrence Calhoun at UNC Charlotte coined the term post-traumatic growth. Their research found that up to 89% of people who survive major adversity report at least one area of positive psychological growth afterward. Increased personal strength, new possibilities, deeper relationships, or a sense of purpose. Growth isn't the exception. It's the default, when adversity is processed deliberately instead of armored against. The question is, how do you process it? That's what the framework is for. Step 1. Recognize. Your first move is to name the event without the story. No, why me? No, this always happens. Just, what occurred? Treat yourself like a safety investigator looking at an incident report. Example: you didn't get the promotion. That's the fact. Not, I'm being overlooked. Not, leadership is political. Just, I didn't get the promotion. Why this matters: you can't reframe a story. You can only reframe a fact. This one shift eliminates 80% of the emotional hijack. Step 2. Reframe. 3 audit questions. Write them down. 1. What is this teaching me about my system? Not about me. About my system, my inputs, my decisions, my standards. 2. What did I tolerate that I shouldn't have? 3. What capability does this expose that I now have to build? These questions are forward-facing. They assume the setback contains signal, and they bypass the 2 useless modes: victim mode and self-blame mode. Neither produces change. Notice what's missing. There's no stay positive step. That's on purpose. Step 3. Redeploy. Within 7 days, you change one operational thing because of what you learned. One system, one boundary, one protocol, one conversation. Back to the promotion example. Recognized, didn't get it. Reframed. My system didn't make my work visible to the right decision makers. Redeployed. This week, one 15-minute weekly update to my manager. One measurable win per month documented. That's the loop. That's the intelligence cycle. Every setback becomes a capability. Nothing is wasted. Most people run step 2. Almost nobody runs step 3. That's the gap. Do this in the next 10 minutes. Open a note. Write one setback from the last 90 days. One sentence, facts only. Then answer the 3 audit questions. Then pick one operational change you'll make this week because of what you found. That's the minimum viable rep. Run it once and you'll feel a shift. Run it weekly and it compounds. If you want this framework plus the other tools, printable, free, I built the Resilience Starter Frameworks as a companion to this video. One click, no upsell. Link in the description. Next Thursday, Strategic Vulnerability. How to be real without oversharing. And why the armor you built to survive is quietly destroying your influence. Subscribe so you don't miss it.